Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, I want to show you how to install Notepad++ on Windows. So I'm going to open up a browser, and in a previous video, I installed the Google Chrome browser. That's the one I like. So I'm going to open that one, and I'm going to be using this profile. Doesn't really matter. And in the search bar, I'm going to search for Notepad++ and hit enter. And the first site that will come up here is notepad++.org. I want to go there. And I'm going to click on download. And I want to download the latest version. So I'm going to click on this one. I have a 64-bit computer, so I'm going to download this one. Close out the ad. And you'll see that the download has gone ahead. I'm going to open up my downloads folder. And I will click to open this file. You see my virus checker has made sure it's safe. After telling my computer that Notepad++ can make changes to it, this wizard is going to come up. You can select the language here. I'm going to keep it as English. I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to click Next. I'm going to agree to the terms. I'll click Next and just keep the default storage location. You'll see it takes 11.7 megabytes, pretty small. I'll click Next. And I can select the type of install. I'm going to just keep it with the custom default and click Next. And I'm going to check this to create a shortcut on my desktop. And I'll click Install. And there we go. We can finish this and Notepad++ will open up. And here we go. We've got Notepad++ on our Windows machine. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. See you in the next one.